My name is Takaz. I do web app design, end-to-end product design for AI, Web3, SaaS, cloud, and cybersecurity. I also share about design, product, and business. You can check my LinkedIn and I share a lot of stuff about design, product, and business. I also have a land UIUX an ebook to help you land your first UIUX job. Please check it. Also, you can go into my Notion, Takazcao, and you can check landing your first UIUX job, and it's free. You can view team list and get it free. Okay, so today we will go into the what you need to apply for a job and go into portfolio. So what is a portfolio? Is a crucial for showcasing your skill, process, and achievement to potential employer or client. It highlights your top work and demonstrate your problem-solving ability in real-world design challenges. Here's how to create an impactful UI/UX portfolio. Select your best work, quality over quantity. 3 to 5 of your most substantial projects that demonstrate a blend of skill and solution. Variety include a mix of different projects. Example like web design, mobile app, or UX research to show your flexibility. Second is price case study. You can check my video UX case study above to know what is UX case study. Provide context for each project. Showcase your design process. Accessible and easy to navigate. Clean layout. Use simple, clean layout that allow your work to stand out. Navigation. Ensure that your portfolio is easy to navigate with clear link to each project. Responsive design. Optimize your portfolio for different devices, showcasing your skill in creating responsive design. Professional bio. Introduction. Briefly introduce yourself and your design psychology. Philosophy. Experience. Highlight your educational background, work experience, and any relevant skill or tool in which you are an expert. Contact information. Make it easy for potential employer or client to reach out to you. Personal branding. Unique identity. Create a consistent visual style or theme that reflects your personal brand. Professionalism. Make sure all content is professionally present and reflect your best self. And portfolio format. Your portfolio format is a key to presenting your work to recruiter and hiring manager. While a US portfolio is usually hosted on the website, a PDF version is also an option. Keep it clear, visually appealing, and reflect of your personality, ensuring it's easy to share with potential employer and client. So we have a portfolio website like Behance. It's free, behance.net. Focus on branding and design. Offer rich visual, easy upload, job board, and an active community with limited writing feature. Okay, Behance. Ripple ID for UI and graphic design. Provide a friend look, easy upload, and a vibrant community. Is also free. Ripple.com. Notion. Clean, simple, brief for text-heavy portfolio. Easy to set up and use. It's also free. WordPress. High customization with theme and plugin like Elementor. Okay. You can check it. Okay, Elementor. It's work with a WordPress.org. Mm-hmm. It's usually 11 to $30. It's free, but hosting and domain costs vary depending on the provider or Cloudways. You can check Cloudways is hosting for WordPress is very good. Okay, yeah. Mm-hmm. Just have a product and you can choose WordPress. Okay, and framework best for interactive website, user friendly with impressive UI UX feature. Cost $5. I think it's increase the cost, so please check it. Okay, it's like a rag wrap element. It's easy for designer to design a website. Pricing is will start from $15. Yeah, $15 per month. Or Pro with $45 per month. Okay, so user. What about Wish? Is user friendly, drag and drop builder, customized templates, easy for beginner. Okay, Wish.com. It's also look like a framework. Yeah, I'm not tried yet, but I see a lot of people use it. So yeah, check it. It's have a lot of templates. You can see. All right. So online portfolio checklist. It must have a home page about a concise introduction, 3 UI/UX case study, contact information, email address, phone number, etc. Link to resume, LinkedIn, and other sources like Behance, Ripple, website, etc. A portfolio must be personal, highlight who you are, your experience, and what sets you apart. Accessible, provide downloadable link, high color contract, and accessible table. Aesthetic, visual, pleasing, and consistent. Usable, easy to navigate, easy to understand writing. Highlights showcase your 3 to 5 best case study. Pro tip, you can use LinkedIn to Linktree to link everything like Behance, Ripple, website in one simple link and place it in your social bio, helping recruiter and hiring manager easy to find your information. Or check accessible in UX design. Here Linktree, okay. It have a link and you can put any link into Linktree. When client go into Linktree, they will see all the link. Yeah, like you can put it on Instagram, is LinkedIn, everywhere. Okay, about accessible in UX design. So you can check it like what is accessibility, the practice of designing digital experiences that are usable by people of all ability, including those with disability, ensuring compliance with standards like WCAG and incorporating features such as screen reader support, keyboard navigation, and color contrast optimization. So you should read it to make your portfolio have accessibility good. Okay, yeah. All right, so that's it for today. Effective UIUX portfolio show recruiter and hiring team how a skill, proactive, and collaborative designer like you can bring value to their business. Add relevant visual and reflect your portfolio every 6 to 12 months Treat your portfolio as an ongoing project. Adopting an iterative approach, start simple, improve and refine it over time. So set it up, tell your friend and help them level up their UI UX design skill. Your feedback matter. I love to hear what you think about this ebook. Reply to Takaz at takazcao.com or tag me on X or LinkedIn with your thought and suggestion. Your inbox help me make ebook better for everyone. Yeah, I also have a link tree. You can click on the link tree to see my link to all the social. And thank you for your listening. See you in the next video. Bye bye.